Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. In this video, I want to take you on a quick under 3-minute tour of Right Click Tools patching. Right Click Tools patching is our third-party application patching tool with the largest catalog on the market. So let's go ahead and take a look at Right Click Tools patching itself. So right now I am in the Recast management server, also known as RMS. Off to the left-hand side here, we have our patching node. I'll go ahead and expand that. We'll jump into our applications tab. This is going to take us to our Recast catalog, which is currently sitting at over 6,900 applications. You also have the ability to add a custom application in the top right here. So if there's an application that's maybe behind a login or is developed in-house, you could actually package and deploy those right through with Right Click Tools patching as well. But let's go ahead and do a little quick deployment here. We'll select one of our apps here, hit deploy. I'm gonna select our environment. Let's go with Intune. Once you've selected that, you'll see that we have this create as update process toggle button available here. If we switch this on, this is going to create the application in Intune with the specific requirement rules associated with it so that when you assign that application, it'll only install on devices that already have this app installed. So this is kind of a true software update model. This could be useful in keeping existing applications up to date in your environment without having to be too granular with who you assign those applications to. You can also turn this off, and that will bring the application into Intune without those requirement rules. Then you can deploy it to specific identities as available or required who need that application. I'm gonna deploy it as an update. We'll hit next. From here, you can add additional applications if they have similar deployment settings. We'll hit next. We could change our deployment process name here. Next up, we have select events. We have the new version available event, which runs when a new version of any app becomes available. We'll wanna keep that on for this. Hit next. Next, we have our group selection. I'll hit all users and we'll hit save and close. From here, we have to set up our deployment process. We have to select a duration for our deployment. I'm gonna hit immediately on this and then we'll hit save. From there, Right Click Tools patching will take care of packaging and deploying that application for us. The next tab we have available is the software updates for ConfigMgr. This will allow us to apply that same true software update model in ConfigMgr updates as well. Jumping over to deployment processes, here's where all of our deployment processes live. Here's that deployment process that we just set up. If we hit the little 3 dots here, we can either run it, pause it, or manage some settings here. From the first page, we get some pretty basic settings. If we go to advanced, we have some more settings that we could change as far as some pre and post scripting. We could change some install and uninstall commands. We have some cleanup, supersedence, and dependency settings that we can change as well. Jumping over to our events, we have 2 events in here. We have the new version detected that we saw earlier. We also have a patch Tuesday event. So if you wanted to line up your application patches to line up with Patch Tuesday, you could utilize that event here. Jumping to the settings page, we have all of our environments here where we can add our Intune and ConfigMgr connections. And we also have some email templates available as well. That's a quick under 3-minute tour of Right Click Tools patching. Right Click Tools patching truly is a set it and forget it tool. Once you have the deployment process configured and in a running state, which they always are unless you pause them, it will automatically pull the newest version when that is available. It will then push it out with deployment settings that you have already configured without you having to worry about it. With the use of email notifications, you can be notified when the process runs. A lot of the settings available within patching when deploying an application are going to be very similar to what you're already used to in their respective environments. If you're familiar with packaging applications in ConfigMgr or Intune, a lot of those settings can be found in our more modern interface in Recast Management Server. That's a quick rundown of Right Click Tools patching. If you'd like to learn more, check out the links in the description. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next one.